students, now next topic is prime factorization. First of all, what is meant by factorization? So factorization means, see, breaking down a whole number as product of its factors is called factorization. Now here see whole number, factors. Now factors you are knowing, and whole numbers also you might have knowing the concept of whole number. See 1, 2, 3 and all whatever these numbers we can take into the whole number. We consider them as a whole number. Okay. So now see here, breaking down whole number. Suppose 28. Here I have taken one example of 28. Breaking down it into its factors. Factors means what? The numbers by which we can divide the given number. Now we can divide 28 by 2 and 14 also. Correct? Means the product of 2 and 14 gives us 28. So breaking down a number as product of its factors is called factorization. Correct? And what is meant by prime factorization then? So see, prime factorization is the process of breaking down a given whole number into product of prime numbers. Here see 14. 14 was not prime number. Is not prime number. 14 is composite number. So again 14 we can split. We can divide into 7 2s are 14. And so see here 2 into 2 into 7. Now see all the digits are prime numbers 2, 2 and 7. Correct? Here composite numbers are not there. When like this factorization we do, that is called as a prime factorization. Okay? The number, the whole number, when we break down or when we split, we divide it into the product of its factors, prime factors. That time this process is called as prime factorization. Okay? In practice 2.6, we are going to learn in detail how to find out the prime factors or how to do the prime factorization of given whole numbers. Okay? Now directly we will solve practice 2.6 and see how to do the prime factorization. Now see 84 is the whole number, correct? And we have to write 84 in the form of product of its prime factors. So how to find out that? See here, for that you will have to write 84 here like this. Okay? Now 84 is divisible by which prime factor? Now prime factor starts with prime numbers start with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Correct? These 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. Prime numbers means the numbers which are not divisible by any numbers except 1 and itself. Okay? Prime numbers, they don't appear in the table of any other number. Only their own table they appear. And 1's table. Okay. So now we can divide 84 as 4 is there, see, at the units place. Then we can use test for divisibility by 2. There, as 4 is there, we can divide it by 2. Students, keep in mind this side, okay, to the left side, all prime factors only should come. Only prime numbers. So see 2. Now divide 84 by 2. What answer you will get after division? 2 4s are 8. Okay. Take 4 down. 2 2s are 4. That is 42. So this quotient we have to write here 42. Okay. Again what this 42 also we have to divide. Now again as 2 is there we can divide it by 2. See here now 42 divided by 2. What quotient I will get? What answer I will get? 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now 21 comes in which table? This table. So 3 7s are 21. Correct? 3 sevens are 21. Further, can you divide? Now this is the prime number, correct? So we can stop here. See here all prime numbers, and here also we have to go on dividing till we are not obtaining a prime number. Now prime number are 1, like that. So see here 7, that means our this division over. Now how to write in the form of, so see here prime factors of 84. This all we have to write in the form of product. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And you can do multiplication prime. See, check it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 7s are how much? 84. And look at all the digits. Are they prime numbers? Yes. That means this is called as the prime factorization of 84. Okay? How to do understand? Up till here, you go on dividing the number till you are not getting the prime number. Now 7 is a prime number, so here I stopped. I did not divide it. And then how to write it in product form? 2 into 2 into 3, and this number also we have to take last number whatever we get. That also we have to include in the product. Got it? Now here see. Next is 154. 154. Now again same method is there. 154 divided. As 4 is there at the units place, I can divide it by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. If you want, you can every time you can do vertically also. 2 sevens are 14. 1 take 4 down. Again 2 sevens are 14. Got it? So what quotient I got? 77. This answer we will have to write here. Now again 77 comes in which prime number stable? 11. 11 sevens are 77. Now should I stop here? Yes, because prime number we got. Therefore, what prime factors of 154? Find the prime factorization. So prime factorization of 154. How to write? 2 into 11 into 7. 2 11s are 22, and 22 sevens are 154. Followed? Now next 36. 36. Students, keep in mind for this you should recite the tables. If you are excellent in tables, this will be very easy for all of you. Okay? Now see 36. Again 6 is there at the units place. So I can divide it by 2 also. We can divide it by 3 also. Okay? No problem in that. So I will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay? 3 minus 2, 1. Here 1 remains. So 16 will become. And 2 8s are 16. Got it? After dividing 36 by 2, I got 18 as a quotient. Now again 18 is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Okay? 2 9s are 18. Now again divide 9. 9 is in which table? 3's table. That is 3 3s are 9. Now see. Here prime number we got. That means we should stop. Once you got prime factor here, we have to stop. And how to write a prime factorization of 36? Here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. This is the prime factorization of 36. Next is 52. 52. As 2 is there again, so again I will divide it by 2. Got it? 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. See 26 2s are 52. Correct? After dividing 52 by 2, I got 26 as a quotient. Again 6 is there, so again I will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now see, is it necessary to further divide? Because 13 is a prime number. So we have to stop there. See, this side all prime numbers should come, not a single composite number, it should be there. Okay, so therefore prime factorization of 52 is 2 into 2 into 13. And we have to check also, see 2 to the 4 and 13 4s are 52. That is, our answer is correct. Now 91. Okay, 91. Here 1 is there at the units place. So we cannot divide it by 2. Can we divide it by 3? What is 3 stays? We have to add the digit. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So we cannot divide 91 by 3. Now, what is the test for 4? Last 2 digits, or last digit forming, if it is divisible by 4, then the given number. But here, no, we cannot divide it by 4 also. 5, no. For 5 times 0 and 5 only, it's not there. No. What is 6 test? 6 test for divisibility also. See, if you will see, you cannot divide it by 6 also. 7, can we divide it by 7? What is the test for 7? The units place number, we have to make it double. Correct? We have to 1 into 2 is 2. And we have to subtract this, whatever we have made double, that number we have to subtract from the remaining number. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And can we divide 7 by 7? Yes. That means this number is divisible by 7. Like this divisibility test we have to use while finding out the prime factorization. Now we can divide it by 7. See here, 7 on the 7. 9 by 7 minus 7 is 2. And here 2. And this one, 21. And 7 is a 21. See, 13 is a prime number. So we have to stop. So what are the prime factorization of 91? 7 into 13. In this way, we have to find out the prime factorization of the given whole number. Okay. Now next factorization of numbers we will learn. Sixth one is 385. Now look at that. 385. 5 is there at its units place. That means we can divide 385 by 5. 5 7s are 35. 385 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35. Take this 5 again. 5 7s are 35. So what answer will quotient we got? 77. That right here. And then again now 7 7. We can divide it by 7. Yes. So 7 1 the 7. 7 2 the 7. See. Here prime number we got, so we should stop it. Therefore, what are the prime factorization of 385? 5 into 7 into 11. Okay. Now next, 324. 324. 4 is there, so I will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 will come here and will make 12. 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Again divide by 2 only. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are. Now 81 is there. So by which number you will say is it? Teacher, 9 9s are 81. No. Can we take 9 here? Because 9 is a composite number and this side we want all prime numbers. Okay. So 8 plus 1 9. No, I will divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 2 will remain. So 3 7s are 21. Again 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. Their prime number we got. So we should stop. So therefore 324. What is the prime factorization? Write all these numbers in the form of product. In the form of multiplication. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 3s are how much? Or 36 3 3s are 9, 36 9s are, if you will do, you will get the answer 324. Okay. Next is 289. 289. Now 289. Can we divide this with what we can divide this number? See, can we divide it by 2? No. By 3? 8 plus 2, 10 plus 9, 19. No. By 4? No. 5? Not at all. By 6? Can we divide it by 6? See here, 6 4s are. You can do it actually. Don't have to depend on me. Oh, but 6 we don't have to take only. Oh, they are all prime factors we have to take. So, see here, by 7, not possible. 11, no. 13, no. 17, can we divide it by 17? Just see. Can we divide? See, 17. 289. 17 ones are 17. 1 1. Take 9. And in 17's table 7 is there. Sorry, 119 is there. Yes, 17 7s are 119. Got it? That means 17. Answer is 17. And 17 is a prime number. So we have to stop. So what is the prime factorization of it? 17 into 17. That means we can also say 289 is the square. 17 factor came 2 times, no? See here, 17 into 17. It is the product of this. This is the product of 17 into 17. That is 289 is square of 17. Next. This 1221. As 1 is there, we cannot divide it by 2. Then see, by 3, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Yes. So divide it. 3 4s are 12. And direct we cannot take. So 3 7s are 21. Then, can we divide it by 3? 7 plus 4, 11, no. By 5, 10, no. Then by 7, can we divide it? 7 means what we have to do? We have to twice the last digit, that is 7 plus 7, 14. And 40 minus 14 is how much? 26. So no. Can we divide it by 11? See here, 11 3s are 33. 40 minus 33 is 7. And again 11 7s are. Now see, 37 is a prime number. Therefore, prime factorization of 1221 is 3 into 11 into 37. This side we have to go on dividing by all prime factors, prime numbers, and check whether it is divisible or not. Now here see, 1260. As 0 is there at the units place, we can divide it by 2. We can divide it by 5 also, and we can divide. Okay. So 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 0. Okay. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. Then 5 is there, so we can divide it by 5. 5 6s are 13, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Next. Next, divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 7s are. See, we got the prime number. 3 7s are 21. So So what are the prime factorization of this? 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into this last prime factor also we have to take, that is 7. If you will do multiplication and find out, you will get the answer 1260.